Using AutoDS for TikTok Shop can enhance your dropshipping experience by automating various aspects of your business. Here's how to effectively use AutoDS with TikTok Shop. Create an AutoDS account. Start by signing up for an AutoDS account and selecting a plan that suits your dropshipping needs. Connect TikTok Shop. Integrate your TikTok Shop account with AutoDS. Navigate to the settings section and follow the prompts to securely link your account. Product research. Utilize AutoDS's product research tools to identify trending items suitable for TikTok Shop. Look for products that align with TikTok's younger audience and popular trends. Import products. Once you identify desirable products, import them into your TikTok Shop. Customize product titles, descriptions, and pricing to optimize for TikTok's visual format. Set up automation. Enable AutoDS's automation features for inventory management and pricing adjustments. This ensures your listings remain accurate and up-to-date. Promote your products. Leverage TikTok's unique features to create engaging video content showcasing your products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to increase visibility. Analyze performance. Utilize AutoDS's analytics to track sales performance and adjust your product offerings based on customer feedback and trends.